Hey foodies! Welcome back to our channel guys. You're watching Get Set and Cook with Pratima and Chandana. Now tell me the truth guys, didn't your mouth actually water when you first saw this dish? That's right, it's really delicious. This dish is my mom's own creation. She has made everything in this dish from scratch. You might think seeing these ingredients that it might not taste that good, but it's the best. So to make this, I've taken 750 grams of chicken, tomato, onion, some dried coconut that is grated, red chili powder, ginger, garlic, some oil, lots of curry leaves, salt, cinnamon and cloves, also known as chakka and lavanga. Let's get started. Light up the stove, keep a kadai, and to that add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. The first step in this, you want to fry all your curry leaves. Add in all your curry leaves and fry it for about 20 seconds and set it aside. In all the recipes that I have posted, if there's one recipe that you have to definitely try, it's this one. Trust me guys, you'll really thank me for posting this recipe. So don't miss out on this. Next up, I'm adding about 750 grams of chicken into the kadai. This chicken has already been washed and set aside. Give it a good stir and let it cook. To this, I'm adding about 2 to 3 teaspoons of red chili powder. If you're a chili lightweight, you can add spices according to your requirements. You must have noticed how red the dish looks, but I have not added any artificial flavoring substances to this dish. All the color that this dish has is from the chili powder. I also suggest you guys also to not use any artificial coloring substances as they are very injurious to your health guys. I've seen a lot of people post a lot of videos in which they're adding tons of color, so please don't do that. Let's eat healthy and natural as much as we can. I've also added about 1 teaspoon of salt and let it cook. After about 5 to 6 minutes, it should look something like this. Now you can see the water over here. I have not added any water. This water is the chicken that has actually sweat out. So don't add any water guys. This is not something that we've added from outside. Next, to make the masala, we're taking in the chakka and lavanga or the cinnamon and cloves, about 1 handful of garlic, 2.5 inches of ginger, about 3 tablespoons of grated dry coconut. Mind you guys, the flavor of this dish is because of this dried coconut, so make sure you use the dry coconut itself. About 1 medium-sized tomato cut up, about 1 medium-sized onion cut up, and now grind it. Notice that I have not added water even here because this is a dry starter, so don't add water. The mixture should be soft and smooth, just like here. Once this is done, check up on the chicken and then add the masala into it. Add some water into the mixie jar, a very little bit, and then add that water into your chicken. Give it a gentle stir and let it cook. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. I'm posting a lot of delicious recipes on a daily basis, so you'll have a lot of recipes to cook from. Please like our videos, share them with your loved ones, comment below what you want us to make, and please support us guys. We're all very happy that all of you are showing a lot of support, so thank you so much for that. Now, after about 10 minutes of cooking it on like low flame, this is how it should look. Give it a gentle stir and combine all the masala well. I'm now checking to see if the chicken has cooked. Since it has cooked, we're going to do the final stuff. This is how you want it to look like at the end. Since we are making it a dry starter, you don't want there to be a lot of gravy. Our chicken is ready now. To this, let's add in those curry leaves that we had fried at the beginning. This dish tastes really good with these curry leaves, so don't miss out on this. Let's serve it up. This dish is really delicious all by itself, or you can also have it with chapati and rice. It will taste amazing, guys, so please do try this out and let us know in the comment section if you liked it. This is the final dish. We hope you like it. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already. We are so grateful for all your support. Like our videos, comment below and share it with your loved ones. Thank you so much for watching. We'll be back with more videos.